Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission is conducting the prestigious Arunachal Pradesh Public Services Combined Competitive Examinations Preliminary 2020 on 1st November 2020. There will be two sessions, Paper 1 and Paper 2. Paper 1 starts from 9 am to 11 am and Paper 2 starts from 1 pm to 3 pm. Whereas the Paper 2, the CSAT, is only a qualifying. There the candidates have to score the 33%. The purpose of this examination is to recruit the very prestigious services like circle officers, DYSP, and district disaster management officer, assistant director, labor officer, like that. So based on the past experience, in the past there is a lot of controversy happened in the conduct of the examinations. Here in Arunachal Pradesh, mostly the students and the citizens of Arunachal Pradesh, they are very apprehensive about conduct of this examination. So based on the shortcomings, whatever the mistakes happened in the past, we have taken all the precautions this time. We hope the examination will be conducted in a very error-free manner, in a very transparent manner, in a free and fair manner. In this connection, we have taken a lot of reforms. Like for example, we have adopted 5 best practices available in the country and in the UPSC in these examinations. For example, for the first time, these examinations will be on the pattern of the UPSC Civil Services examination. There will be common paper to all. And number 2, we have taken the unique identification number at the time of filing of the applications from the candidates. The candidates have to produce the same original identity card at the time of the examination to the invigilator. This aspect will avoid, it will prevent the impersonation of the examination. And for the first time, you have adopted the handbooks for the center superintendents and the invigilators adopted by the UPSC. Here also we have taken that into consideration. Apart from this, the purpose of this exam is to establish a system. If the system is once established, that system will continue on year-to-year basis for the conduct of these prestigious services. This year will be a beginning year to have a very error-free kind of a examination. In this connection, we have got the 17 centers scattered throughout the state, from Tawang to Konsa, that is in west and east. In 17 centers, there are 126 sub-centers are there. In these 126 sub-centers, about 26,000 candidates will be taking the examinations. In this connection, the centers of the Itanagar and Naharlagun will be having maximum number of candidates. There are around 12,500 candidates will be taking the examinations from Itanagar and Naharlagun. That will be catered to by the only one district, that is Deputy Commissioner, Itanagar Capital Complex, and also the SP Capital Complex. Hence today also I have highlighted these two centers are very sensitive and we have to take a lot of measures. If you take this arrangement of conduct of this examinations, it is going on since 2 months. Here there are different stakeholders. APPSC is the nodal department here. There are stakeholders like the government of Arunachal Pradesh, government and the police department of Arunachal Pradesh, and the candidates and district administration. There are 15 deputy commissioners. They are catering to the 17 centers, and deputy commissioners have been made overall in charge of the examination, and they have taken all the measures to have a proper seating arrangement by following the COVID-19 protocols there, maintaining the social distancing. And secondly, the commission has appointed 36 coordinators. 36 coordinators are going to the different examination centers and carrying all the sensitive examination materials along with them, and they are going in advance to the examination centers there, and they are conducting the interviews, and they are briefing all the functionaries. Prior to the coordinators going to the centers, the concerned deputy commissioner of the districts have conducted the elaborate training to all the functionaries like invigilators, center superintendents, assistant superintendents, like that. If you take yesterday, we had a video conference with all the deputy commissioners. The deputy commissioner has given a very good feedback. They are fully prepared to conduct an error-free examination. They have been given a very good training, and all the functionaries involved in the examinations are well versed with the examination process. Apart from this, deputy commissioners and the coordinators, and we have appointed the observers also for each examination center. And in Itanagari we have appointed 3 observers, and in Naharlagun we have appointed the 2 observers, whereas in other center there is 1 observer for each center. The duty of the observer is to have a observation of these examinations, whether the examination is being conducted in a free and fair manner as per the provisions, as per the rules and regulations. And already most of the observers, they have left Itanagar, and they are in their respective examination centers. Apart from this, we have adopted this year very advanced OMR scanning machine, wherein we can find out what exactly in which center, what is happening, and how the candidates, the profile, everything we can know the things. So that because of the technology, like getting the unique identification number and the OMR scanning machine, because of all these advanced technologies, we may be successful in preventing any malpractices. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगा उनको. तो कोविड-19 प्रोटोकॉल्स उनको फॉलो करना है, और कैंडिडेट्स को हमने पूरा एडमिट कार्ड में क्लियरली बताया गया है कि दे हैव टू वियर द मास्क, फेस मास्क. विदाउट मास्क देयर इज नो एंट्री इन द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, एंड दे हैव टू मेंटेन द सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, and they have to sanitize, they have to maintain the hygiene. Detailed instruction have been given in the admit card.
So as the examination, the APCS is not allowing any mobile gadgets, so don't you think the mobile internet connectivity is a bit irrelevant, because since there will be no mobile, there will be no use of internet, and the public are complaining they have to, there is a use of internet. There will be a trouble for some people who are, traveling or maybe in a problem. So, is it kind of irrelevant?
Though we have banned the mobile phones and other electronic gadgets in the examination center, but still there is some chances of taking some of the gadgets, electronic gadgets. In order to have a very foolproof system, we requested the Director of Telecommunication to jam internet services, only mobile internet services.
सर कॉल वगैरह तो जा सकता है साइड में.
There will be call, but internet services are being jammed.
क्योंकि देखा गया सर लिस्ट का हिसाब से कोई डिस्ट्रिक्ट जैसे लॉन्गडिंग वगैरह हो गया, अनिनी वगैरह हो गया, कोई और डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जिसमें वहाँ एग्जामिनेशन
So it is only question of few hours. I think I request all the citizens to cooperate also, because this is in the interest of the citizens of the state.